3, 2, 1, go. Blue light test. Looking at the screen, I would say that this iPhone and the Pocket 3 makes it look brighter than it does in real life. The stabilization's working. Check out into the darkness. Yikes. Just by the screen alone, I can tell that. Oops. You know what? Let's rotate this. I just realized I didn't rotate my Pocket 3 my Pocket 3 screen. Oof. The Pocket 2 is so dark. Now I can take the Pocket 2 and put it in the D-Log to get it more brighter, but I'm gonna leave it in the color profile, and Pocket 3 just also only inside the low light mode. These are like for someone who's just not looking to play around with log and running filters on top of it. Just shooting low light straight out of the thing. People are coming. Check out the boats. God, what a difference. It's hard to tell by the screen alone because sometimes it just can't show any kind of issues that you can pixel peep. But I would say that, hello people. I would say by looking at the screen, the iPhone and the Pocket 3 looks great. Maybe some person would argue that maybe the Pocket 2 is more realistic in what you see. But maybe not. Pocket 2 is definitely lighter and smaller. Now if you run this Osmo Mobile gimbal plus the iPhone, it's quite heavy compared to the other two. They almost feel like the same weight. It almost feels like the Pocket 2 and Pocket 3 weighs as much as this. Okay. I think this is like the ideal testing style because type of scenario, I mean, because you have bright and dark areas at the same time. It's not just a well-lit city area. Ooh, look at the moon, it's huge. Okay, record. Let's see, all three recording the full moon. Let's bring it back down. Which one looks the best? Of course, this is not the newest iPhone. I definitely want to do a comparison with the 14 Pro. I can get a 14 Pro definitely to compare. I don't know if I can get a 15 because I don't know. Oh, I do know someone with a 15. Maybe I can borrow it. Damn, iPhones are so good. I mean, even this super old iPhone can really handle low light. Now I'm gonna rotate them left, tilt to left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. I wonder which one has best stabilization. Maybe it's about the same. Problem with using an iPhone, or weakness, is that if it's super windy, the wind is really going to catch on it and give the gimbal a very strong workout. Okay, this canal is quite dark. This canal is quite dark. How does it look? Guys? Let's go lower, see if we can get this banister. How does the banister look? Is it going across? This canal is quite dark. How does it look to you guys? Let's go lower, see if we can get this banister. How does the banister look? Is it going across? Okay. Tilting down. How does it look to you guys? Let's go lower, see if we can get this banister. How does the banister look? Is it going across?